guys, it's Aiden's Plays, and I'm going to teach you how to pick the cucumber. And so, you hold it from up here before picking it and stuff. You hold it right above the tip, and be careful, there's spikes on it. And I've been picked by these before, they like poke, like needle. So, and also make sure they're not out like this because any animal can get to it. But it's out like this because the deers were not smart enough. But that's not always the case. And this is how you cut it. So you hold it right here. There's a few bees, guys. You hold it right here, and then you put the scissors right here, and then you cut. And then you hold it from the tip top. And then this is how, and then you add your cucumber. Goodbye, guys. I hope you liked this video. I hope this was helpful for if you have cucumber plants at home. Please enjoy, like, and subscribe. Bye. Bye, guys.